Electric cars, autonomous vehicles, heavy-duty trucks. Nowadays, our roads are facing a brand new generation of vehicles which are among the main tools of mankind to reduce transport emissions and increase road safety. But what if I tell you that some characteristics of these new road users may actually reduce the durability of the road? And all this in a current scenario in which we are already dealing with increasing traffic demands and more frequent extreme weather events. Today, we will analyze some of the potential risks of this new mobility and how asphalt industry is getting ready for the challenge. I'm sure that by now you have noticed the huge number of heavy trucks driving on our roads. And by seeing the evolution of the European traffic of goods and passengers in the last decades, we can be sure that the number of these vehicles will keep increasing, which may accelerate the deterioration of road pavements. A similar effect may be produced by certain types of electric vehicles. For example, different systems have been already installed in trial sections around the world, with the aim of supplying electricity without the need of vehicles stopping for recharging. The problem is that some systems like this or like this could actually reduce the scattering of vehicles across the road lane. If this happens, certain spots of the cross-section will receive a higher frequency of loads with an effect equivalent to increasing traffic intensity. And this is not all. A comparative study published in 2019 shows how the use of larger trucks can lead to reductions of almost 30% in CO2 emissions while reducing the road occupation and the need of drivers. All advantages, right? Well, the truth is that these heavy trucks with long arrays of tires hitting the same spot of the road and with very short recovery time between consecutive loads can increase the risks of permanent deformations in viscoelastoplastic materials like asphalt. Yes, that black material that you can see in more than 90% of the roads in Europe. A very similar effect can be produced by truck platooning. This is a series of 2 or more automated trucks driving in convoy. The first one drives and the rest of them just follows the predecessor autonomously and at a very short distance to improve aerodynamics and reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Again, and despite all these advantages, this system would lead to a series of tires hitting exactly the same spot of the road and with a very short recovery time in between. And yes, I know all this may sound a bit scary, but the truth is that the asphalt industry has been developing for decades specific solutions for pavements especially stressed, such as airfields, ports, or heavy traffic highways. With the arrival of these new challenges, it could simply happen that future road designs progressively shift towards this kind of solutions. The selection of these will be, of course, project-specific and will depend on many circumstances. But some examples could be 1. The use of high-performance surface and binder courses like those made of stone mastic asphalt. 2. The use of high modulus base courses which provide greater stiffness and resistance to permanent deformations, fatigue cracking, and water damage. 3. New concepts for pavement structures, such as the use of anti-fatigue high polymer modified bottom layers or the total replacement of the traditional 3 layers structure by a triple stone mastic asphalt. And 4. An advanced pavement execution which encompasses the use of the best techniques available for each stage of the supply chain. In this regard, the use of Asphalt 4.0 digital technologies will play a crucial role. If you still don't know what is Asphalt 4.0, I recommend you to check the other video we have specifically on this topic. With this, I reached the end of this video in which we have seen that the European asphalt sector is ready and has capacity to give support to the traffic of these new road users, as well as to adapt the European road network wherever necessary. If you found this topic interesting, you can find much more detailed information on these 2 documents which we have published on the EAPA website. For us, it would be also great if you could leave us a comment on this video, letting us know what other challenges do you think will change the way we will design and construct the roads in the coming years. Keep connected to our channel for more videos like this, and as usual, thanks for watching.